Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn about how to multiply 5-digit number by a 3-digit number. In the previous classes you learnt about how to multiply the 4-digit number by a 3-digit number, right? So in the same way we can multiply the 5-digit number by a 3-digit number. In this class let's learn how to multiply the 5-digit number by a 3-digit number with example. Okay, see, here the problem is multiply 32,584 by 342. We have to multiply the 32,584 by 342. In the multiplication process, first we have to write the numbers according to their place value chart, right? And multiplicand should be written above the multiplier. Then tell me which is the multiplicand here? That is 32,584. 342 is multiplier. Okay. 32,584. This has to be written above the multiplier, that is 342. Okay. We have to multiply these two, and in the multiplication process first we have to multiply the numbers from the right end and from ones place digits. Okay, let's start the multiplication. In the ones place we have 2. All these numbers first multiplied by this 2. 2 4s are 8, then 2 8s are 16. I will write 6, then 1 carry, then 2 5s are 10. For the 10 we have to add this 1. 10 plus 1 11. I will write 1, then again 1 carry, then 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Then 2 3s are 6. Now we completed the ones place multiplication. Next we have to move on to the tens place multiplication. In the tens place we have 4. Okay, all these numbers should be multiplied by this 4. And in the tens we have 1 0. That's why I will put 1 cross or 0 here. So let's start the multiplication by this 4. 4 4s are 16. I will write 6, then 1 carry, then 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1 33. I will write 3, then 3 carry, then 4 5s are 20. For the 20 we have to add 3, that is 23. I will write 3, then 2 carry, then 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2, that is 10. I will write 0, then 1 carry over, then 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Okay, now we completed the tens place multiplication. Next we have to move on to the hundreds place multiplication. In the hundreds place we have 3. All these numbers should be multiplied by this 3. And in the 100 we have 2 zeros. Okay, then tell me how many zeros or cross we have to put here? 2. 2 zeros or 2 cross we have to put here. Let's start the multiplication by this 3. 3 4s are 12. I will write 2, then 1 carry, then 3 8s are 24. 24 plus 1, that is 25. I will write 5, then 2 carry, then 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 17. I will write 7, then 1 carry, then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, that is 7. 3 3s are 9. Okay, now we have to add these products. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Then 6 plus 6, 12. I will write 2, then 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Then 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. I will write 3, then 1 carry, 1 plus 6, that is 7. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. I will write 4, then 1 carry, 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. I will write 1, then 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. Okay, when we multiply the 32,584 by 342, we get 1 crore 11 lakh 43,728. Okay, like this we can multiply the 5-digit number by 3-digit number. Okay, have you understand, students? So let's move on to the do this part. Here we have the 5-digit number, that is 13,456, and a 3-digit number 875. Then 13,456 should be multiplied by this 875. Okay, first we have to arrange the numbers according to their place value chart and write the multiplicand above the multiplier. Okay, here the multiplicand is 13,456 and the multiplier is 875. Okay, let's start the multiplication from the right end and from ones place digits. Okay, in the ones place we have the 5. All these numbers should be first multiplied by this 5. 5 6 30. I will write 0, then 3 carry, then 5 5 25. For the 25 again we have to add this carry, that is 3. 25 plus 3, 28. I will write 8, then 2 carry. Then 5 4s 20. 20 plus 2, 22. I will write 2, again 2 carry. Then 5 3s 15. 15 plus 2, 17. I will write 7, then 1 carry. Then 5 1s 5. 5 plus 1, that is 6. Okay, now we completed the ones place multiplication. All these numbers should be multiplied by this 7. And in the 10 we have 1 0, so I will put 1 cross here. Okay, let's start the multiplication by this 7. 7 6 42. I will write 2, then 4 carry. Then 7 5 35. 35 plus 4, 39. I will write 9, then 3 carry. Then 7 4s 28. 28 plus 3, that is 31. I will write 1, then 3 carry. Then 7 3s 21. 21 plus 3, 24. I will write 4, then 2 carry. Then 7 1s 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, now we completed the tens place multiplication. Then we have to move on to the hundreds place multiplication. In the hundreds place we have 8. All these numbers should be multiplied by this 8. And in the 100 we have 2 zeros. That's why we have to put 2 cross or zeros here. Let's start the multiplication by this 8. 8 6 48. I will write 8, then 4 carry, then 8 5 40, then 40 plus 4, 44. I will write 4, then 4 carry, then 8 4s 32. 32 plus 4, 36. I will write 6, then 3 carry, then 8 3s 24. 24 plus 3, that is 27. I will write 7, then 2 carry, then 8 1s 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Then we have to add all these products. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, then 8 plus 2, that is 10. I will write 0, then 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 9, that is 12, 12 plus 8, 20, I will write 0, then 2 carry. 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14. I will write 4, then 1 carry, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, that is 11, 11 plus 6, that is 17. I will write 7, then 1 carry over, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 7, that is 17. I will write 7, then 1 carry, 1 plus 0, 1. Here we have 1 as it is 1. Okay, when we multiply the 13,456 by 875, we get 1,17,74,000. Okay, have you understand students this problem? So let's move on to the next problem. Here we have the 27,652 and 139. We have to multiply this 27,652 by this 139. Okay, let's start the multiplication. First we have to write the multiplicand above the multiplier. 27,652 by this 139. Okay, first we have to start the multiplication from the right end and from ones place digits. Okay, let's start the multiplication by this 9. 9 twos are 18. I will write 8, then 1 carry over, 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 1, that is 46. I will write 6, then 4 carry over, then 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 4, that is 58. I will write 8, then 5 carry over, then 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 5, 68. I will write 8, then 6 carry over. Then 9 2s are 18. For that 18, again we have to add this carry, that is 6. Okay, 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 6, that is 24. Now we completed the ones place multiplication. Then we have to move on to the tens place multiplication. In the tens place we have 3. All these numbers should be multiplied by this 3. And in the tens place we have 1 0. That's why I will put 1 cross here. Then 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. I will write 5, then 1 carry over, then 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 1, that is 19. Then 1 carry over, then 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 1, that is 22. I will write 2, then 2 carry over. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Now we completed the tens place multiplication. Then we have to move on to the hundreds place multiplication. In the hundreds place we have 1. Okay, all these numbers should be multiplied by this 1. And in the 100 we have 2 zeros. Then tell me how many cross or zeros we have to put here? 2 zeros or 2 cross. Okay. So let's start the multiplication by this 1. 1 2s are 2, then 1 5s are 5, then 1 6s are 6, 1 7s are 7, 1 2s are 2. Okay, let's add all these 3 products. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. Then 6 plus 6, that is 12. I will write 2, then 1 carry over, 1 plus 8, that is 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. I will write 6, then 1 carry, 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 5, that is 23. I will write 3, then 2 carry, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, that is 14. Okay, 4, then 1 carry over, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 7, that is 18. I will write 8, then 1 carry over, 1 plus 2, 3. Okay, when we multiply the 27,652 by this 139, we get 38,43,628. Okay, so let's move on to the next main. See students, here the question is a box contains 150 apples. Then 43,256 boxes were brought to a market on a day. Find the total number of apples brought to the market on that day. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 150 ಸೇಬುಗಳಿವೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ 43,256 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆ ದಿನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ತರಲಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಆ ದಿನ ತಂದಂತಹ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇಬುಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 150 ಸೇಬುಗಳಿದ್ದರೆ 43,256 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೇಬುಗಳಿವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಉತ್ತರವೇ ಆ ದಿನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ತರಲಾದಂತಹ ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇಬು ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ದ 43,256 ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ 150 apples. Okay, let's start the multiplication. So here the multiplicand is 43,256 and multiplier is 150. Okay, so let's start the multiplication from ones places. 0 into anything is 0. 0 into 6, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 0 2s are 0. 0 3s are 0. 0 4s are 0. Now we completed the ones place multiplication. Then move on to the tens place multiplication. In the tens place we have 5. Okay, 5 6 are 30. I will write 0. Then 3 carry over. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3, 28. I will write 8. Then 2 carry. Then 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. I will write 2. Then 1 carry. Then 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. I will write 6. Then again 1 carry. Then 5 4s are how much? 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Now we completed the multiplication by tens place. Then we have to move on to the hundreds place multiplication. In the hundreds place we have 1. And in 100 we have 2 zeros. I will put 2 cross here. Then 1 into 6, 6. 1 5s are 5. Then 1 2s are 2. 1 3s are 3. 1 4s are 4. Now we have to add all these 3 products. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, then 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, 8 plus 6, how much? 14. I will write 4, then 1 carry over, 1 plus 0, that is 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 5, 8, then 6 plus 2, 8, 1 plus 3, 4, then 2 plus 4, 6. Okay, we get 64,88,400. Okay, on that day brought the 64,88,400 apples. Okay, so students, like this we can solve the multiplication. Okay, have you understand? So I hope you all clear about the multiplication process. Thank you all.